Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to entirely disable the camera lock screen swipe gesture on your iPhone. The iPhone's lock screen camera shortcut is designed for quick access, but it can sometimes be triggered accidentally, leading to unwanted photo captures or even battery drain. Whether you find the swipe gesture too sensitive or simply prefer more control over your lock screen, disabling the camera access can help you keep things streamlined and secure. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the camera option. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and then you have to disable the toggle for lock screen swipe to open camera and you're all set. It will completely disable the swipe left gesture to access the camera from the lock screen on your iPhone. With the camera swipe gesture disabled, you can enjoy a cleaner, more intentional lock screen experience. So, no more accidental launches or unexpected photos, just a device that works exactly the way you want. And yes, if you ever decide to restore the shortcut, just head over to the same camera setting and then you have to enable the toggle for lock screen swipe to open camera, and that's pretty much it. If I found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.